This just came in the mail, which is a lie because I got it more than 1 week ago, but I waited to open this box in order to do one of those very popular unboxing videos. So let's unbox this, which means let's open the box. Why unbox? I don't know. Let's open the pouch. Oh, I'm ruining my gloves. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see if they sent me the right item. Yes, we have it. The brand is the right one. It says Casio Collection W-800H-1A. From some shop in Spain, it must be. In fact, it said Reloj Digital Unisex Negro Nuevo. It's not used, it's new. Let's open the classic Casio cardboard box with this carbon fiber look-alike pattern printed on. Here we have it. Ooh. So this is one of the watches that you don't need if you already have a watch. But maybe if you still have to buy your first watch, this could be a watch to consider because it does a lot of things and it doesn't cost much. As we're used to, quality is a good quality. Casio does things well. Let's have a look at it. And then we will peel off the protective film here. Oh, look at it. Now I have to set the time. Here is the band. Pretty simple. And it's the thing that from internet reviews I liked the least about the watch. In fact, I think I'm going to change it. Yeah, have a look. It's a beautiful watch. Come on. I don't know if it's intrinsically beautiful or if it's beautiful for me because it reminds me of my childhood in the 80s. But I like Casio watches. Let's have a look at the back of the watch. It says the usual things. The number of the model, which is W-800H. The module, which is not the model, it's the module which is inside, which is number 3240. Stainless steel back, water resistant to 10 bars, so this is 100 meters water resistant. And if you want to know what it means, it doesn't mean that you can throw it 100 meters underwater, but you know, just read the instructions from the lovely Casio booklet to see what it means. It says made in China, and it says EA Games challenge everything. I don't know what this EA means. This is the strap. It has some codes on, and the beautiful detail here for a $25, $27 watch, or maybe less, depending on when you buy it. The buckle has the Casio logo written on it, etched, and also the belt retainer. How do you call this sleeve thing here? Casio on. I don't like the design of the strap that much, but that's me, you know, it's personal taste. Shall we peel off this thing here? Oh, now it looks even more beautiful. Now this watch does a lot of things, as you can see. Let me grab this pencil here. So it has a live battery of 10 years, which in Casio terms means 12 or 13 if you don't use your alarm or your light like mad. You can see that it's an illuminator watch, which means that it has a nice decent light that we will soon check out. And it doesn't have any other markings or writings on the case, which I like, because sometimes Casio watches, they have some writings on the case, which I generally like, but then they fade away after you use them a bit and after they get exposed to weather elements or simply after you wear them. So look at the wealth of information that this watch can display on screen. Just look at it. The screen is quite big. Just for comparison, This is a G-Shock, you know, those squares. Well, the measurements are slightly different, but similar size. Of course, the color scheme is different. But more on that when I do the comparison between this and its older cousins. You have your day of the week, in this case Friday. You have your year, in this case 2010, which is wrong. You have your month and day of the month, which are you expected it wrong. And you also have this section here, which can signal if the snooze alarm is on, if the alarm is on, and if the beeping signal denoting the passing of every hour is on. That's a lot of information, so let's adjust it. Let's see if, without reading the instructions, I'm able to adjust it. Yes, they're blinking. So what about the time? It's 15 hours, so it's 3 p.m. Maybe this goes, yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 to 3 p.m. And then it says 19 minutes. And the seconds are almost there. So I'll wait. 42, 43, 44. Okay. Then, what about the year? Not 2010 anymore. Oh, I went too far. Now I'm going to have to go to 2099 and then come back. Let's see this thing going to 2099. Oh, yes. That's the correct year. The month is not June or July. I went past once again. It's hard looking at the camera. You know, the months move really fast. Good, and the day is just one day to Valentine's Day. I could give this to my beloved one, but instead I'm gonna keep it. Good. So this is all on set. It says Monday. I didn't have to change the day of the week because it has its own automatic perpetual calendar, and so it will know about leap years and all those good things. You want to see the light, don't you? So let's switch off here. Let's switch every light off. Let's put it in the dark. And this is the light. Yes, I know I could show you better. But I will in the next video. This was just an unboxing video. Next I'm going to change the strap. And then who knows.